Yo! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get free money on the Cash App in 2025. So as you can see, we got loads of money right here. I got $600. So how did I make this money? Well, there's actually an app out there called Strimly. They're really weird, and they pay you to watch YouTube videos, and they pay you to watch Twitch live streams. So as you can see, if I press on watch streams, we can see our streams, and we just watch these, and they pay us. So we go to withdraw. And as you can see, Cash App is an option, bro. So then you just press withdraw. You can choose your amount. And guys, if you're depressed because you don't want to sit there for an hour watching Twitch streams, I got news for you. They got YouTube clips as well. So just watch YouTube videos, earn Cash App money. There's one thing I have to tell you. This app is for some reason not on the App Store. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do is go to their website. It's called strimly.co. So once you're on the site, guys, you are going to be able to pretty much just download it. So I'm on the site now. I'm on an iPhone, so I don't really know how this works on an Android, but I'm going to press download for iPhone, press start download, and basically what will happen is it's going to install a configuration profile. So we're going to go ahead and press allow, we're going to press close, and now we need to reopen our iPhone settings, and we're going to go to where it says profile downloaded, and then we're going to press install. So the next step is it's going to ask you for your personal phone password. I happen to have a long one. So then we're just going to go ahead and press next and then install, and then there's one more in red. So just press that, and now you should see Strimly on your phone. So open it up, and basically you are done. But you will see a award of 1,000 points because you're a new user to the platform, which is pretty cool. So anyway, guys, when you use the app, you may come across something very mean. I don't know. I'm going to try to get it to show up so you guys can see, but it will tell you that there's a one-time Strimly verification. So press on like continue or whatever, and it will bring you over here to the Strimly installer where it says please download some additional files from the sponsor. And you actually get 1,000 Strimly points every time you do one of these, and this is a one-time process. So once you do this, you will get your Strimly app fully unlocked, and you'll be able to earn Cash App money. So just press on the app, and it will redirect you to the App Store, and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, by the way, I don't think I can show it again, but these apps, they are... each one has its own set of requirements. So like download for 30 seconds or, like complete level 10. So maybe I'll try to show it to you guys right here, but it's a very, very like big thing. Like if you don't actually complete the instructions, you're not getting the Strimly app like to be fully operational. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hard to get that menu thing to pop up, but I just restarted the app because I didn't do it. But anyway, guys, be sure to try us out, and peace out.